I feel bad for Izzy. He says he doesn't want to retire. Whatever he decides, I can respect that. I almost think of Izzy's legacy now where Anderson Silva was at the end of his career after the leg break. It doesn't really matter what he does after that. He can lose 10 times. It doesn't matter. It's all about caring for the fighter's health in the long term, which is always concerning, but he loves what he does. He loves the sport. So I'll grant him that. I think if he wants to fight, let him fight. His legacy can never be tainted because of all the great things he's done in the sport. And nobody is going to, this last fight of his, it's not going to taint his legacy. It is, everybody knows where his legacy stopped. And right now, he's having fun. He's loving the sport. There's no pressure of belts. It's just having fun. Look after your health, mental health, long-term health. That is also very important. He has a long life ahead of him. He's made his money. He has done everything there is to do in the sport. So right now, he's fighting for the love of it, and I can only respect that.